used to mean. So maybe that is the problem. And yeah, I guess actually that was the thing that we changed earlier today too. So how did this work before though? I don't understand how this worked before. Maybe I just changed so much of it that it just like it's not a valid comparison anymore. Anyways, let's get rid of this and so this is Kurev type 4. So if float action dictionary top list index 0 index 1 index 0. So this is asking if the number, oh wait a second. Oh, action dictionary top list index 0 index 1 index 0 is the same thing as saying top list index 0 index 0. Because top list keeps track of the number of players who have participated. Oh, I'm missing, or I have too many square braces, or yeah. Uh, Top list keeps track of how many players participated and the name of the event, and Action Dictionary keeps track of the how many players have participated in influence. And so instead of just referencing directly the number of players who participated, I was referencing the name, throwing it into the dictionary, and getting back the same data point. So yeah, and again, yeah. So these are equivalent statements. So I can get rid of the reference to Action Dictionary here altogether. So top list index 0 divided by a total is less than or equal to, yeah, so those are probably fine. So yeah, so this is probably not fine. So are there any other references to like the length of, so action dictionary B key, I mean, I guess like if I keep plugging these things into the action dictionary, instead of instead of flipping through B key, I can just flip through the top list, and I can have this data there already. So for yeah, so what if instead it was just like for B key, or for like, is there another reason that I need to have it as B key? Bonus dictionary? No, not really. So for B key in top list, so I'll say like for TI in top list. So instead of B key, it'll be TI index 0. And then yeah, so instead of this, it'll just be TI index 0. Excuse me, sorry. TI index 0, and then, yeah, so it'll just be bonus dictionary TI index 1 and TI index 1. Okay. So if bpop is blank, oh yeah, that's the point where, this is the one where we can declare an automatic winner. Bonus dictionary apop equals 2. Do I still use bpop? I thought I got rid of it, but I guess not. No, I guess I still use it. Okay. Yeah, if there is no bpop, this is the case of the consensus, and so we don't have to worry about, like in event types 2 and 3. If there's a consensus, then it's just automatic victory. All right, so yeah, so. Yep, so this one seems fine. Not referencing like the action dictionary or anything weird like that in here. Why do you never have a purple colored pencil when you need it? I wish I knew. I wish I could be there right now with a purple colored pencil. But I don't have any. And I'm over here instead. It's just fates. Fates are working against us. Um, 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 uh, sorry. Okay, so this is good, and then this is probably good too. But like, it wasn't just this, right? It was like basically oh, actually, okay, yeah, no, this is good. So we got event type 0 or event type 1. because I'm curious, like, so like I don't know, some of the things I tweaked. No, the things I changed, like they wouldn't explain. Well, actually, no, they would explain event types 4 and 5. Are those the ones that we? It was event types 4 and 5 that we were seeing that were weird, right? So, I mean, certainly, I actually the things that I just changed, I don't even know if they would necessarily explain what we were seeing, but like what like event types 4 and 5 were definitely messed up, and now they're better. And I also like, yeah. So I'm curious to see what event an event type 1 will do now that because I still haven't restarted the script. Like, is it going to is it going to be is it going to give perfect across the board, or is it going to actually like score in a reasonable manner? Uh, Perfect row. Yeah, so it said perfect row when we did event type 2 earlier, but that was a perfect row. So that one, yeah. Oh wait, no, we did get an event type. We did get an event type 1 earlier, and it worked correctly, sort of. I mean, yeah, it seemed to work correctly. So okay, so actually, that's probably fixed now. So this event should probably work correctly, and after this event, I'll restart the script, and then hopefully the other event types will work correctly too. So we'll see. What was I in the middle of doing over here? Oh, I was just like wrapping this up. Oh, right. So, oh, actually, so if I have to restart the script anyways, I guess now would be a fun enough time to go through and, yeah. So I guess before I restart that script, I'll set up the new Python file test. What is this? This is like a linked cur exp. So yeah, so what we're going to do here is we're going to say import OS, and then we're going to say for PI in os.lister dot players slash yeah, just players. We will say or excuse me, actually it's dot dot slash players. Yeah, okay. We're going to say if so like L f path equals dot dot slash players slash plus pi plus yeah slash link dot txt, and then if os dot path dot exists L f path, then with open L f path as L data. So we'll say like link link lines equals an empty list, and so we'll say link lines equals L data dot split on. So that event, okay, yeah, that event seemed to go well, right? Like not everything was literally perfect. So L data dot split on the new line character, and then what? So then we can say if the length of new line link lines is greater than 0, and oh yeah. So then we'll say if the length of link actually no, we can do this all in one line. We can say so if the length of link lines is greater than 0. Oh wait yeah. So right. So yeah, okay, this is fine. So if the length of link lines is greater than 0 and the length of link lines index 0 is greater than exclamation point LINKED is 7 characters. So it's greater than 7 and link lines index 0 indexed from the 0th to the 7th character equals exclamation point linked. Then what we want to do is check out their actually, yeah, I can indent this so that, or no, I guess I already did. No, yeah, this is good. I'm fine. I'm good. Okay. So next I'm gonna say, so in this case, so like EF path, path equals dot dot slash players slash plus pi plus exp or slash exp dot txt, and then so if os dot path dot exists ef path, then we will say with open ef path as edata. Then we'll say, oh yeah, right. So we'll say so like exp or like cur exp equals 0, and then we'll say right. So with open, yeah. So we'll say cur exp equals the integer version of edata dot read dot split on the space character indexed to 0. Yeah, and then so lastly we'll say with open lf path for writing purposes, we'll say actually before we do that, let's say yeah, so l string equals link lines index 0 plus the space character plus the string. Oh wait, no, we don't have to convert curxp to an integer, right? Because yeah, right. Because we don't actually care about the numerical value of it. We only care about its representation as a string. So yeah, so curxp equals, yeah, no, it just has to equal the string version of that. And then right, so we don't have to reconvert it to a string. We can just say plus cur exp, yeah, because we're not actually doing any math to it. We're just transposing that number. So yeah. So let's say, so then with open lf, oh yeah, right, so actually before we're done with that, then we'll say for I in range 1 to the length of link lines, actually, yeah. So we'll say L string plus equals new line character and then link lines index I. Yeah. Okay. So we'll put the entire string back together, and then we'll say we'll open lf path as ldata. Open it for writing as ldata, and we'll say ldata dot write L string. Yay! Cool. So right, so like I said, I'm gonna stop the script. Okay, the growth thing happened, and I don't know if it worked or not, but whatever. 3 adventures. That seems believable. Did it add experience 3 adventures and everything? It did. Look at that. Look at that. Hooray! Okay. Um, so like I said, I'm going to stop the script. And I'll bring it back in just a moment, but first I'm going to see if this script works. Nope. Split. L data. Oh, whoops, I forgot to say .read.split. Yeah. I remembered to do it the second time. Alright, so it said it works. I guess there's an easy way to check this. We just go to players, we search for link.txt, and we check, oh good, okay, it did seem to put numbers at the end. I mean, I don't know if that's necessarily the correct number, but it's a realistic number. It's like, like when the script finishes so fast, like, I don't necessarily, oh wait, this is a dangerous script, so I have to deactivate it. Because if I ran it again, it would like mess things up. So like Tristan, yeah, those seem like realistic numbers, I guess. So I don't know, that could be good. What about me? Oh no, I wouldn't actually get one. Yeah. So mine. So let's look up. Yeah, no, that's been rebought. Where's me? Because I'm the special case. So well, here's my special case file. Yeah, look at that. It put okay. So put the experience at the end. Okay, good. Good. Good stuff, good, and stuff. And, okay. So now, I kind of want to test, oh, you know what? I should, oh, frick. How am I going to test this stuff? Oh, actually, no, it's not ready to test yet, because I haven't done the unlinking half of it yet. So, I'm going to, no, not run that one. That one's stupid and should die. Or that one, that one's dangerous and I shouldn't be running it. Oh yeah, so I'll give the script a second to cool off, and then or a minute to cool off, and then I'll run this version of it probably. So let's do right. So right. So now I've set up so this whole like cache business that we do on linking accounts, like that is set up now. But the unlinking accounts, this is the other scenario where we have to do that. I wonder, I don't know. I feel like I should just move it into unlink accounts and just always unlink accounts before we link accounts. But no, I guess that's overkill. Oh wait, this stuff. Yeah, this is basically the same thing that this right here is basically the same thing that that we have going on up here that I just set up. So basically, maybe I will just do that. Maybe I'll just move this down into here, and then oh, I guess like there's the message about like your accounts have been unlinked, which so I'll want to put in like I want to send through like a parameter. Wait, reply? Oh, maybe reply is that parameter. Oh yeah, yeah. Okay, I have that already. Oh, interesting. What do I call unlink account? That'd be funny if I already called it in here. All right. So oh yeah, I know why we don't do unlink account. Wait, do I? Name handle source reply. Name handle source reply. I think I don't call it because I don't bother looking up. No, that's not true. I do bother looking up. I look it up and oh yeah. I guess I don't bother doing unlink account because wait, no, that wouldn't make sense either. No, I should totally be able to do unlink account. So yeah, maybe I will do that. Maybe I'll just like all this stuff that I put up here, like maybe instead I'll just like put it down here instead, and I'll just call like unlink accounts on both players before, because like if their account isn't linked, then yeah, no, that should be fine. Uh, Adding Sharpie to watercolor. That sounds like an interesting technique. I'd be interested to see how that turns out. um, Yeah, right. So this whole linky business here that we do is like the same thing that we did up there. Almost exactly. Like here's where we check if linked. So like I can just be like before, like when we check if first line linked, we say linky equals first line, and we can just do like this give choices thing. And like we're not even looping this time around, so like I don't even have to like do the give choices thing really. I can just like this time around, yeah, we're just doing it the one time over, so I can actually just jump like right to the punchline. And so like give caches, for like give caches, I can just like say I can just like cut right to the chase hypothetically. Um, I don't know, maybe. So first line, where did this go? It went like right before penned, right before setting penned. I mean, I guess it doesn't really matter where it goes, but uh, I'll put it here, I guess. Do 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 do. Right? I mean, why not? Like this is like what I want to be doing. Yeah, the thing that creeps me out though is like if I had this code to like clean up the unlinked accounts, like why was I swear I have like duplicate code now to clean up the unlinked accounts because I distinctly remember putting in like code to clean up unlinked accounts in another location, and I don't know why I would have put it there if I had it here. Um, maybe because this code didn't work and I forgot about it. Like honestly, that seems like the most realistic scenario at this point. Was there a really good reason why I'm not calling unlinked accounts on like why I'm doing like the unlinked accounts manually inside there instead of just calling unlinked accounts? I can't for the life of me think of a reason why I wouldn't just like call unlinked accounts, but I don't know. Maybe there is a good reason. Um, oh, whoops, yeah. Some of these references are probably not going to be accurate. Uh, oh, player dictionary and player set. I need to reference those. Uh, player dictionary, global player dictionary, uh, global player set. Yeah. Are the other references okay though? Like current XP. Oh no, I didn't. Oh no, that copied over. Current XP. Uh, oh, why is this E? There's not supposed to be a capital D there. I mean, I'm probably going to delete it from this place up here, but just in case I don't. LI. References to LI are not going to be relevant. So LI index 0 is actually going to be name in this context. Name. Yeah, LI index 0 will be name. Index 0. Li index 0. Li index. Okay, the rest are 1s and 2s. 2 is going to be. Oh, 2 is going to be lines. Lines. No, no. First line index 2 as an integer. So the integer of first line index 2. That's what that is. Yeah. Okay. Oh, do I have collisions in data file names? Nope. Nope. No, edata, cdata. Okay. Oh, and wait, there were more references. Oh yeah, so li index 1 in this case is link e. Yeah. So li index 1. We reference it here. Yeah. All right. So yeah, how about that? And then yeah, right. So the other one, the take caches is this one goes. Where does this one go? It goes like if the first line. Oh yeah, I do have to check if the first line is linked because I'm not checking that yet. So actually, yeah, let's copy this and then put this down here. Where? Wait, where? Put it down. Oh, do we not check the inverse here? Why would we not check the other half of it? Oh, because I'm still I'm still in a link account, not unlink account. Derps. Yeah. Okay. So yeah. So no, the other half about linky equals first line index 0. Oh wait. Oh okay. This one's kind of crunched a little bit. Um, if the first line not equal pending. Oh yeah. Okay. So actually, so let's say. Oops. No. What? Why would you do that? Um, no, stop inserting those weird spaces. Weirdo. Uh, so I have to do something with that. But yeah, let's just say else, and then we'll do first line. Oh wait, I already did first line. Oh wait, so yeah, I don't have to do first line again. Okay. So we'll say. So if oh wait, actually, no, maybe this is valid to go in here. If first line not equal pending and not equal blank. Yeah, actually, no, that's... Wait a second. Oh no, the conditional here is if first line equals linked. So wait, no, wait, back it up. Back it on up. Wait, did I get that backwards? If first line equals linked, what are we looking at first? Oh, right, no, I put it in the wrong place. It's supposed to go down here. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Yep, I'm an idiot. Okay. So first lines, first line equals lines, yeah, okay. So this is where this goes. Or no, actually, it doesn't go inside the loop, it goes outside here, yeah. So first line, there we go. All right, first line equals lines, blah, blah, blah. Then, if first line, right, so we don't need this line about take caches, but this is where the take caches part goes. So the take caches, what did we do with that? We did this here, so we said, so for li in take, oh, well, we don't need that loop. No, we'd say, so pf path equals players, so li index 0 in this case actually means, li index 0 actually means link e. So link e exp.txt. Oh, that's not supposed to be there. So right, so it's not li index 1 here, it's lines, no. Oh wait, what is it here? What is index 1 for the first line's index 2? Oh really? Oh sure, yeah, okay. So it's like, yeah, it's the integer of first line index 2. Yeah, right, because we've opened up the linky data. Yeah. Yeah? I guess so. Um, um, so let's save this. Oh, the script has been down for like ever. At this point, I'm tempted to bring it up and test out the linking stuff. No, I shouldn't do that. Should I? No, how am I going to test this? This is awkward because like, if this is wrong, it's really wrong. Oh wait, and actually, no, I'm not even. No, I'll just put up the old script again, because. Wait, which one did I run? Journey run. Okay. Yeah, it looked like, I don't know, it never switched over to this tab when I clicked on it, so I don't know, I thought I might have ran the wrong version, which would have been probably not the best thing in the world. Possibly the worst thing in the world. Possibly. I'm not saying it's likely the worst thing in the world, I'm just saying it's possible. Um, so let's let's do what? Um, yeah. So I feel like we can just unlink accounts. Like instead of like all this instead of like all this stuff that we're doing up here. Like I feel like I can just cut down like this whole like for name winner loser thing, and then all this the cache stuff that we did down here. I feel like I can just say like for name winner loser remove player or like unlink account. I mean, um, so like for example, uh, like is there anything that happens in here that would be deleterious or like bad? If name not in linked dictionary, active equals backlink dictionary name. If linked dictionary name not equal name, maybe it's fine to just do the same thing in both of these cases, but like I don't know, that feels weird. What is this whole active business? Active equals name if name not in linked dictionary. Active equals backlink. Oh, we add the active player. We remove the inactive player and we add the active player. That could be helpful in some regards. But it doesn't seem necessary though. Yeah, no, there's no point in like adding the player. Uh, so I could just add in another flag, like the unlink account. I could just like, yeah, I could like this whole active business, like this is only necessary if it's important to add the player afterwards. Or sorry, actually no, you know what I can do instead is I could change this to be I could change this to be excuse me. It is about 7 p.m. I've been streaming for about creeping up on 9 hours, probably like about 8.5 hours at this point. So I'm not dying yet, not yet. um, I just like you know what would kill me is if I had to leave the script like in the state that it's in right now, because I want to at least get it to a good state before I wrap for the evening. I don't. It just creeps me out when I have to like abandon something in like a state that's like I have no clue how broken it is, like all that weird stuff. So um, yeah, let's so so yeah, maybe I will just I mean it's not like we call unlink account very often, so I'll say name handle source reply and add will be the other term, and so unlink account. Where do we call this? So yeah, so most of the time we'll say like true and true, but then like yeah. So now I'll just have the option to have it not like that. So yeah, so the add part is down here. It's like I don't think we yeah. Oh. Oh, ascertaining the source? No. The source comes in with the yeah, right. Okay. So no, we'll just say yeah, so we can say if add, then we'll do all of this part. Otherwise we don't care. And then I mean I could even make it the same flag, I think. Like I could just use the like rename it instead of reply. So maybe that would be easier. Yeah, that would be easier, I think. Alright, so this will all be part of the same conditional. And I'll call it something other than add. I'll call it like uh, I don't know, like fix up or something. I don't care. Alright, so yeah, no, it'll only have the so like fix up and then right, so we don't need those we don't need the extra term here. Yeah. save that. And then, so yeah, so I can have unlink account, and it'll automatically, yeah, it'll automatically edit that data. Oh, was I doing it differently because I can't account for the player's presence in the dictionary? No, that's silly. If I'm unlinking an account, then no, if I'm unlinking an account, then I can know about that player's presence in the player dictionary because, like, there's no way for an account to be linked to two accounts at the same time. So if I'm breaking one link, I know there's no other link. And yeah, I feel like that's legit. I should test this a lot, though. Um, so, I mean, yeah, I think I can at this point, though. I can get rid of all, like, the cache gain. I can get rid of yeah, like, all this stuff about, like, the give cache and the take cache. Like, that is now part of unlinking, which we will do before we link. So the give caches, take caches, we can get rid of those, and yeah, we can actually just get rid of all of this stuff because we're doing the exact same thing down there. So for I mean, whatever. It's like, yeah, whatever. I'll just say unlink account, and it'll be oh, source. What do I say for source? Like, does source actually affect anything? No, I only use source down here for, like, I mean, I could just use source. Oh, that's awkward. Wait, no, it doesn't matter because that's all in the fix up section. The only thing I use source for is in the fix up section, so I could even leave source blank because I'm gonna say fix up false. Yeah. So whatever, I'll just say unlink account. So what is it? Name, handle. Do I use handle for anything? No, handle's also in the fix up section, so I can leave those blank. I'll just say like unlink account, name, and then like I'll just literally just use blank strings because I don't care, and I'll say false. Okay. Yeah, there we go. And then yeah, that should be good. Is there anything in the fix up section that I was supposed to be doing? Active equals name if name not in linked dictionary. Like, I don't add players to the player dictionary in here. I just edit their data. Link E. Although if I'm checking their presence in the player dictionary, I should be rinsing their linked name. No, they're not in the player dictionary. I can be certain that they're not in the player dictionary for the reasons I said earlier. Although, am I ever going to change it? I'm ever going to introduce a scenario where like players, like both players could be in the player dictionary at the same time? I don't think so. I'd be really surprised if I did that. Like, I really don't anticipate to do that at any point. I don't know, my brain is a little melty at this point. It's like, you know when you get an ice cream that's like really big, and like your job is just like to stop it from like melting because it's like softening as fast as you can consume it. That's my brain right now. Except I'm not allowed to eat my brain. Or at least I'm not supposed to. I'm not supposed to lick my own brain. See, this garbage that's like coming out of my face right now. What is this? What am I even talking about right now? It's just to demonstrate the fact that I'm not working at like full mental capacity right now, I suppose. Alright, so yeah. Do I actually use the player set in here? Yeah, of course I do. Is this good? I honestly don't even know if this is good right now. What do I need to do? I need to like run a copy of the game that like only responds to like my own commands or something. I don't know. Yeah, to test this is gonna be just like weird. So I don't. I really don't know how. I want to go about that. Because I could like I don't know. Maybe I'll just like wait until tomorrow morning to test it. Because I can check in like all the I can like check in all the player data, so that way it'll all be well and backed up. So if anything goes crazy tomorrow morning, I'll just be like very fresh and able to reset cleanly and easily. Um, yeah, that might not be a bad idea. Oh yeah, so the changes that we made over here though, let's integrate those over to the main script. So let's open so run orig and run edit with notepad, and let's see what the differences are between these two files. Plugins, compare. So starting at the top, wow, that's a lot of differences. Really? Okay. Oh yeah. Yeah, I remember what that was about. Okay, so what line is this? Like 1135-ish. Go to 1135-ish. I moved level percentage. Wait a second. It's already in the correct place. What? Did I? Oh no, it's not. It's supposed to go. It's supposed to go where? Above OS path exists player's name. Right. Yes, right, because that was the one where. Okay, yeah, no, that's better. Okay, what else? So what is this? This is oh yeah. I had to change like the new level up thing. So like when we add player, or no, when we add experience, so we have new level up. We also have new level equals 0, and then here we say new level equals new level ups index -1, and then instead of passing through with the graphics message, instead of passing through player level, we pass through new level. There we go. Yeah, save that. And then so then I think that was pretty much all that, right? While what is this while player? What did I change here? While player name, while player dictionary exp greater than or equal to exp at level. Oh, I missed. I missed the end of the line there. Forgot that as well as that. Yep. Okay. And then all right, that was the new level up thing. Oh, I forgot a colon here. I am so forgetfuls. Forgot a colon. Where was it? Like here. Where was it? It was on for li in new level ups. For li in new level ups. Yeah. And then so right, this was the. Oh no, what was this one? Oh, I forgot a parentheses. I forgot a closing parentheses here. Apparently. No, wait, where was it missing from? When I open up the exp data, I forgot a closing parentheses, right? Or no, I had one too many closing parentheses. Yeah. These should be on the other side of each other. Should be in the other order, but whatever. I had one too many closing parentheses? No. This one feels fixed already. This one feels fixed already, which is weird because I don't remember fixing it, but whatever. Alright, so this is the one where I used switched to using new level instead of using player dictionary name level. Alright, I'll assume that's all good. So, oh yeah, that stupid bug again. So, raw f name. That's probably right or something. Oh no, in process event. No, this is another place where I can get rid of this too, actually. Yeah, no, there's just no place for raw f name in process event. I don't think. Am I crazy? Wait, is it supposed to be there? I hope not. I mean, it's not the worst thing if it is, but like, oh whoa, maybe it is supposed to be there. Yikes. All right, actually, maybe I was supposed to keep that there. I guess. All right, so I'll get rid of these, but I guess I actually am supposed to keep those references to raw of f name there. Whoops. All right. Well, not that it really matters, but oh, what is all this about? Oh yeah, this is when I change the event types, right? How the event types are calculated. So starting with event type 3, yeah. Oh hey, Arkham, Josh, Jeff, how's it going? um, Thank you, thank you for catching that photo. I am kind of into it right now, huh? So if cur ev, yeah, here we go. So starting with event type 3, what did we change here? Oh yeah, we changed the references. Oh yeah, so we changed it to iterating over ti in top list rather than b key in bonus dictionary. Top list, yeah, so we're going to say, so float action, what is this actually? This is actually supposed to be ti index 0, right? Wait, B key, no, action dictionary B key index 1. No, that's influence. So wait, no, this shouldn't be top list. This should be influence list, if anything. Yeah. Oops. Yeah, no, this is supposed to be, inf list, index, excuse me, index 0, and then or sorry, not influence. Sorry, this is supposed to be. Well, I'll call it like II for II and influence list. So for II and influence list, we'll say II index 0, blah blah blah. We'll say II index 0. Index 0, blah, blah, and then down here instead of B key, it's actually II index 1. Yeah. II index 1. Yeah. Okay. So then for these, oh yeah, this is the part where these are the ones for which I chopped out. Wait, have we had an event type 4 since I got rid of these? Because, like event type 4 or 5. No. Nah, not yet. Oh, right, I just restarted the script. Of course we haven't had one yet. I'm going to try and coerce one out, I guess. I'm just going to kick it into away mode. I'm just curious to see if it's better. Alright, well, of course we don't get an event type 4, but whatever. So, I changed other things. Oh yeah, right. Because I'm I'm referencing these action dictionary top list blah blah blahs like in such a weird way. So that was another thing that I fixed. Yeah. So yeah. So there's that, and then the length of top list. Oh wait. Oh, wow. Nope. Okay, so I still didn't actually fix them entirely because the length of top list is not a valid measure. Is it? Oh, no, it is. It is? Is it? It is. No, it is. It is. It actually is. No. Yeah, it actually is. No. Yeah. Okay. Right, no, I was thinking of something else. I was thinking of how we, like, pre-populate the action lists, and therefore the so yeah, no, I was sorry, don't mind me, but trust me that this is good now. Or don't actually. No, skepticism is probably a very good idea in most cases. All right, so Top list index 0, index 1. Okay, so that's all good. Right? Yeah, seems good. And so yeah, so then this was the one that changed the most because I got rid of like so many of these conditionals, like just like all this stuff gone. Didn't I get rid of more stuff too? Like, wasn't there even another conditional that I got rid of? Maybe not. Maybe that was, oops, not that far. Maybe this was enough. For B key and bonus dictionary, action dictionary, B key. Yeah. So this is fine. If B key, oh, not an action dictionary. Yeah, that was the other conditional that I took out. Yep. Yep. Hmm. And then, is there a way to simplify this? I mean, I could just like, yeah, I could kind of just like I did before. I could just say like for TI in top list, top list. So instead of doing like action dictionary B key index 0, I can just do like TI index 0, TI index 0, TI. I guess this doesn't make a huge difference, but whatever. TI index 0, and then will be TI index 1, TI index 1, TI index 1. Yeah, whatever. All right. Sure. If a fail, yeah. Okay. Yeah, so that should be better. I think I redid it in a different way this time around, but whatever. This new way should also be good. If not better. In some ways better, probably. So what did we change here? Growth index equals... Oh, I probably just added in a parenthesis, or like... It's probably like missing a parenthesis or something. What was I missing? Oh, random, open close parentheses, yeah. So let's go to GI. Random, yeah, random, open close parentheses, yeah. And then, cache text. Oh. Doesn't seem like a big deal. I don't know why I did that, but whatever. I guess I technically did that too. So process exp gains. Or I'll jump right to cache text. Is this it though? No, it's further down, right? Yeah, it was like here. Oh no, I remember what it was. Yeah. I accidentally inserted cache text at an inappropriate location, so that I had to get rid of that. Right, that's what it was. I was like, wait, why did I make this change? So like, yeah. This is not an appropriate place to put cache text. So for all of these PF paths, I actually went and put back in the cache text. Yeah. Just there, and there. I think that was all of it. I think that was everything. So yeah, and then wait, what? Wait, was there one more? Oh, name to fetch. Not equals. Yeah, right. It's supposed to be not equals. Right? Not equals blank. Yeah, because otherwise that's crazy. So name to fetch. If name to fetch not equal. Oh yeah. So for one thing, I need the colon at the end, and for other thing, I need name to fetch not equals blank. Okay. Because if name to fetch equals blank, then we don't have to get the name. Right. Okay. Cool. Good and stuff and done and hooray! So I'm going to switch over to Facecam. If you guessed that this could be approaching the dramatic conclusion, or the not so dramatic conclusion of today's stream, You're a smart cookie. um, so yeah, let's. I'm just gonna. So yeah, I'm switching over to Facecam because I'm going to find another cool streamer, and we can go have fun stream times with other cool streamer. And what am I working on? I'm working on SideQuest, which is the game that you see along the bottom of the screen right here. Look at this wonderful game that we have going on, or don't, whatever. All right, so I found another cool streamer. So the last thing I'll do before I sign off is to say thank you everyone for hanging out today. I'll be streaming. I stream a lot, so you'll see me again sometime if you want to. And if you don't, whatevs, man. I don't care. No, have a wonderful whatever time of day it is where you are, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye, bye, guys. Bye, goodbye. All right. Yeah, almost 9 hours. Pretty good stream. All right, host Trinity Net Blamo. Yeah, and then now I'm gonna stop streaming. So.